Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing the clips and creating a new project with the correct aspect ratio. This avoids shifting later. Trim each clip to the moment you want the clone to appear, then stack them on separate tracks. Make sure the camera is locked and the background is steady, because consistency is what makes the clone believable. Once done, position each clip so their action doesn't overlap visually unless you intend interaction. Now you focus on masking and precise alignment. Select the top clip, add a mask that reveals only that clone, and feather the edge slightly for a natural blend. Then reposition and scale the masked clip so gestures align with the background layer. Repeat for each clone layer, using split to sync timing. Make sure audio cues or movement markers line up. This is why you trimmed earlier, so interactions look intentional and not accidental. Finish by blending and exporting. Play the sequence at full speed and tweak feather and opacity until seams disappear. Small nudges of 1 to 3 frames can fix ghosting. Color correct each clip to the same exposure and temperature so the clones read as one scene. When exporting, use the project's FPS to avoid stutter. If you still see a visible seam, revisit that mask edge and tighten the feather or refine the cut. That single adjustment often resolves it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.